With unemployment increasing day in, day out, digital upskilling will help you survive during this turbulent time. And the big question is, can you really make money online here in Kenya? The answer is yes, because in this video, I'm going to share with you how to get online jobs, the right mindset that you need to be able to start getting the right legit online jobs. I will also highlight to you some of the ways that you can use to spot the online scams. Plus, I'll give you 21 best and legit online jobs that you can start doing right away. And as a bonus, once you get these online legit jobs and you start getting paid, how do you get paid? By Mpesa. So you better watch this video up to the end. And without further ado, let's get started. Welcome to Daniel Mutuku Show, where I help professionals become successful in their careers. And if this is your first time here, I would like to ask you, please subscribe to my channel, press the bell button so you can get to know each and every time I release a new video. In this day and age, there are so many online opportunities that keep on popping onto our face, on our mobile phones, on the computer, day in, day out. But the unfortunate fact is that a bigger majority of these online opportunities are actually scams. Someone gets into a scam and they conclude that all online opportunities are scams. But that is not true. One of the best antidotes to avoid this online scam is to approach the opportunities using a business or entrepreneur mindset rather than an employee mindset. What do I mean by that? An employee mindset is basically, you go to work, you do some stuff, and you get paid. You're an architect, you go draw some drawings, you get paid at the end of the month. If you're an accountant, you go do some accounting stuff, and you're paid. However, on the other side, if you look at these opportunities through a business or entrepreneur mindset, you understand that you are an individual who is bringing something that is of value, either a product or a service, and it is of value to the other party. And so they compensate that value by paying you. When we go online, if the only thing you're being promised is go click here, watch some videos, do some very simple stuff, and you get paid, and you don't ask yourself, what is the value that the other person is getting from what I'm doing, then you're most likely falling into a scam. Always look through that lens. Ask yourself, what is the value that I'm providing? And that would be a much better way to evaluate if something is a scam or not. I have 4 tips here that I want to share with you that will help you identify the scams. Number 1, if it is too good to be true. If you realize they are offering way too much money than what you're supposed to be doing, or they just tell you, click here, do this, you will get rich quick and will be paying you this amount of money for very little work, most likely, if it is too good to be true, it is not true. It is a scam. Number 2, if they are the people who are contacting you first rather than you contacting them first. Most of the time, the scammers will send you an email or send you a message trying to pull you in to the scam. But most of the legit online jobs, they have a legit platform where they do their business. They have rules and standards that they follow when they want to get someone to help them do these online jobs. Number 3, if they ask you to pay for anything, run away. They will ask you to pay either for a medical checkup or a psychometric test or for training material. If they are going to give you the job, why don't they take care of that cost? So if you are asked to pay anything, run away. And fourthly, do not give out any of your personal information like passwords or PIN numbers. Any opportunity that is asking you to put in your credit card number or your credit card details without being very clear on what you are buying, they are most likely scamming you. So run away from that. To make it easy for you to be able to get the legit online jobs, I have prepared these 21 best and legit online jobs guide. This is a beginner and intermediate guide to making money online. I want you to download this guide for free. There is a variety of online jobs that you can do even if you don't have any previous experience working online. This would include something like taking up surveys, data entry, writing jobs, graphic design, you name it. You will find all these jobs in this guide. Inside the guide, you will find the 21 best online jobs, the average pay, and how much the top earner makes for each of the jobs. Also, you will find a list of relevant websites and what you will need to get started for each job. Also, I've included a step-by-step guide on how to find legit online jobs and avoid the scams. And on top of that, I've also added tips on how to apply these online jobs to ensure that you are successful each and every time when you're applying for these jobs. To get this guide for free, head over to www.careerpoint.co.ke/online jobs. I have also dropped that link in the description of this video so that you can download that guide for free. Once you get started with these online jobs, it is important for you to start figuring out how then will you be accepting payment. One of the best ways to accept payment online is by using PayPal. PayPal is an online platform that facilitates online payments. You can be able to get paid or pay using PayPal. I would advise you to open your account for free. It is a free online personal account and it is very secure. You can connect it with your credit card or your bank. You know, the way here in Kenya, if you want to get paid or someone to send you some money, it's almost automatic. You will be paid through Mpesa. The rest of the world, if you want to get paid, they know it's almost automatic that you will be paid through PayPal. So it is very important for you to open a PayPal account. Once you have your PayPal account and you start receiving payments, you can be able to transfer those payments to your Mpesa account. PayPal have a collaboration with Mpesa, or you can also transfer those funds to your bank account, mainly Equity Bank, and you can be able to withdraw from the ATM or transfer again to your Mpesa account. Also, take a look at this video on data entry jobs here in Kenya. Make sure you like this video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment. And until my next video, I'm out.